Hello friends, this is a 18 inches LED TV, and the problem with the display, when you on it, comes with display striped line. I'm going to put it on so you're going to see the picture. Okay, you see, watch the screen. You see the line, striped line. Okay, came with lines. You can see lines there. Next thing, it goes off, flashes off, and continue with another line. You can see the lines. Yes, striped line. Okay, now I'm trying to turn it off. It cannot be turned off. You see the color, dirty stripes. Okay, so we're going to open it and fix right. Watch what's happening. As the blue light, see blue with this stripe. Next thing, we blink off and on again. Okay, so that's the problem. So we're going to open it now and check the ports and fix it. Okay, now the TV has been opened. This type of TV uses separate power and also a separate motherboard, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so if you can dismantle the LCD screen. So now this is the inside of the TV. So the first thing we need to do here is to have a very good physical inspection of the power board and also the motherboard to see if there is anything that is not in order. Okay, by me looking at the picture, the 400 volts is okay. These are likely the culprits. With this type of problem, it may be caused by high tension. So by my touching of this capacitor, I discovered that there is a problem. There is a sign on the under. You see, this is something like bulged. See, this capacitor is bad. That's shaking. These ones are okay, they are strong. Nothing happened, but this one is shaking. And the sign is faulty. So on the screen, you see, this capacitor has been blown by high tension. So it's really bad. See, the second one is okay. So this is the power section, the power board with this capacitor blown out. And let's check the voltage. It's 16 volts by 1000 UF. That's the capacitor on the power section. That's bad. And this capacitor is what that control the voltage, 12 volt that comes out here. through the 12 volt that comes out here directly to the motherboard. Okay, so let's look clearly at the motherboard to inspect the motherboard if there's any other defect too. As you can see, now looking at this capacitor is bulged. You see this capacitor is bulged. Look at it very well. You see the cover is swollen up. This one is flat, this one is swollen up, so this one too is bulged, is defective. So definitely we are going to change it, and also change this one from the power section. Hopefully that fixes the TV. Let's go. So let's remove the board, motherboard. Okay. Here's a capacitor that's bulged. Also remove this one, the power board. Okay, so this is the motherboard. This is the hole for the capacitor. The bulged capacitor has been removed at this point. Okay, this is the hole that the old capacitor has been removed. Now I'm going to put the new one. Okay, so that's the bad one, the bad capacitor with the bulge, as you can see. Sixteen volts, 470 UM. I'm going to replace it with this one, 16 volt 1000 UF. It will still work perfectly fine. Now this is the power pack. This is the power where the old capacitor, right? Bad one. I'm going to replace it with this one, 16 volt 1000 UF. The old one is 16 volts 1000 UF, the bad one. While the new one 16 volt 1000 UF. So I'm going to replace this too. Okay, so it's fine now. Let's packet it, let's fix it. Let's couple it and test. The motherboard has been fixed and also the power. Everything is intact. So now I'm going to replace the screen and test it. So the TV is now coupled. Everything is fixed completely. Okay guys, so now let's test the TV. Okay, wow, that's it. As you can see, the TV is working perfectly fine. That's it, the TV is now working fine. There's no problem. So that's it guys. If you like my video, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.